It is the funnel.
See?
Okay.
It's a weird sky, huh? Wow. Never seen that kind of sky in my real life. Wow, it moves so fast.
I could have passed before if you were in the way.
Look how fast you're moving. That's how it looks in the sky. Before the hurricane, that's exactly how it looks. What day is today?
Stop, okay? I want to pass this. Somebody's behind.
Today is 17th of August.